guys, it's me, Jake, again. Today I will make sticky rice dumpling. You need a big bowl and then you need yellow bean flour and some glutinous rice flour and some brown sugar and some water. Let's go to the first step. This is the first step. You need to put the flours in the bowl. I will do it now. And then you add some water, but not just the whole thing. We need to put a sip first, and then you smoosh it. And then you add some more water. Oh, forgot to tell you, you must wash your hand before you smoosh it. Now we're nearly done. This is the second step. This step you need to get some dough and then make it a ball. Make it very smooth. And then use your thumb and then squish it. And you see a hole, and then you add some brown sugar and put it in there. And then you smooshed it here. And then twist around it here, and then make a ball. And then put it here. This is the third step. We need to put the dumplings in the water, but it's hot. So the water is hot, so make sure you need to ask your grown-up to help. This is my mom. And now we're going to put it in the water. Now I'm going to put the dumpling in the water. I'll do it now. When the dumplings float to the surface, means they are done. This is the final step. We need to sprinkle some brown sugar, and then we need to pour yellow bean powder onto the dumplings. I'm ready to eat.